Now, have a crack at this. We've got an old Mini and it's got an Yamaha R1 engine in it, and down here we've got a forwards and reverse gearbox because motorbikes don't go backwards. And then if we take a look over into here, because we've got a sequential gearbox, you can see that we've just got a normal push forwards and push backwards for the gearbox. This would be utterly fun to drive, personal opinion. But there you go, collectible classics I'm at the moment, and there it is. How much is this one? 35,000. If you want this one inspected, more than happy to do it, more than happy to test drive it. All right, catch you later. See ya. Bye.